Here we are at 1422 Tierra Circle here in Winter Park, Florida. The home has had a lot of work done. 2022 roof, 2022 HVAC, 2023 patio on the back. This is a pool home. They also did the flooring and paint in here as well. Let me flip you around real quick just to show you the front door as you walk in. So back towards the front, I'll turn around. So obviously to the left, we'll take you to the garage, kitchen, and outside, and then to the right is the bedroom. So what we'll do is the bedroom first, obviously the living room in here. So I'm gonna step down. So probably your traditional dining would be on this side. You've got the step down into the sunken living room. They've put their couch here to kind of follow that edge so it doesn't feel as much of a step down on this side. That's why the TV's here in front of the windows, I'm assuming. But really nice, good space. Obviously being down a little bit gives you a little bit higher ceilings. Head back up. And also, it might not come through in the video, but you do have a two-tone paint on the trim and the baseboards. So to your left is the master bedroom. You got the his and hers closets on each side. This brings you out to see all the space. Nice long windows here in the master that kind of go below their dresser. Then in here to the master bath. A little bit of a step down. I'll go over here so you can kind of see it. Difference in space. But it's not a crazy step down. The tile looks like it's been glazed as well to be that white color. A nice little cove in here. Again, right outside the master, you've got both linen closets, coat closets, if you will. Here's bathroom number 2. Again, updated dual sink vanity. You've also got the original tile. Really good. It's been reglazed to the white, so it's a little bit more modern. You can kind of see a little bit of the glazing coming off, but that's something that can be reglazed. Also, something really nice that I always like to point out, you don't have a lot of transition strips on the floor, those little things that you see going between door to door, which is really nice, which means someone knew what they were doing when they put the flooring down. So bedroom number 1. Excuse me, bedroom number 2, I apologize. Pretty decent sized closet. They've obviously got a little dresser in there. Bedroom number 3. And I would say this is definitely the smallest of the 3. Obviously, they're using it that exact way with the crib room, nursery. And then into bedroom number 4, that looks like they're using it as an office / guest room. So really good space. So all bedrooms on one side of the house. We flip back out to the living room. And again, there's the front door. So you've got a little bit of a transition into the kitchen garage. This could be another, they're using it as a coffee bar, wine bar area station, which opens you to the kitchen. All white shaker cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Super cool. This house in the community does have gas. So you've got a gas stove as well as to the HVAC and water heater. So right out here, this was installed in 2022. Water heater's a little bit on the old side, but again, both are being run off gas. I don't believe the dryer was gas. No, the dryer is electric, but that is something you could change if you'd like to. Decent 2-car garage. You do have a exit out that way to the side yard. And again, I forgot to show you the pantry. Nice deep pantry. So they're using this area as the dining room. You obviously could use the other side. Come out to the screened-in patio that was installed in 2023. So this one's got the aluminum. This one's got a little bit of the clear plastic. So you are gonna have the heat coming through this. Let me flip to the backyard. Nice large pad. You got your pool. Again, the pool pump is on, so the surface of the water is moving and rippling, so I can't see directly, but you don't see normal signs of wear and tear or anything like that. You do have a little cracking on the coping, but again, that's a much smaller fix than having to resurface a pool. A nice large back area. Really the only grass in the whole backyard is on the side of the house. Looks like a couple fruit trees. And nice 4-bed, 2-bath home here in Winter Park. One thing, this does back up. So way over there is 436. You do have some office buildings, smaller medical buildings over there. And I believe that's a school on that side. I do see a play set and a couple kids over there, but super quiet here. And if I didn't say it, the roof is 2022.